Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if your withdrawal on PrizePicks is failing or not going through. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, this is the most common reason withdrawals get declined on PrizePicks. Basically, any money you deposit must be played through at least once before you can withdraw. So let's say you deposit $25 into your PrizePicks account. Now, before you're allowed to withdraw, you must submit at least $25 worth of entries or lineups using that same money. If you try to withdraw funds before doing that, the request will automatically fail. Also, and this is important as well, entries must be made using cash funds, not promo funds. Promo money doesn't count towards any playthrough requirements, so always make sure you are using actual deposits funds. Next, this is also a rule that catches a lot of users off guard. So you can only withdraw money using a payment method that you have previously used to deposit with. So let's say if you used PayPal to deposit, then only PayPal will work for withdrawals as well. And if you deposited with a credit card, Apple Pay or Discover Debit, these are deposit-only methods, and they can't be used for withdrawals. So if you're trying to withdraw using one of those, it will fail, and the funds will be sent back to your PrizePicks balance. So keep that in mind. Sometimes it's not about PrizePicks at all. It's just a simple typo in your bank account or routing number, to be exact. So if your withdrawal info doesn't exactly match your linked account, the request won't go through. When this happens, PrizePicks will cancel the withdrawal and return the money back to your balance. So always double-check your banking details before confirming the withdrawal request. And the next reason is PrizePicks has a strict $10 minimum withdrawal rule. So if you are trying to withdraw even $9.99, it'll instantly reject it. So make sure your withdrawal amount is at least 10. And lastly, PrizePicks only allows one successful withdrawal every 24 hours. So if you make a withdrawal, let's say at 2 p.m. today, you won't be able to make another request until 2 p.m. the next day. If you try to submit another one before that, it'll block it, even if everything is correct. So that's it. You now have a full list of rules and fixes for when PrizePicks withdrawals don't work. Most of the time, it's just a simple playthrough issue or using the wrong payment method. And now you know exactly how to fix those issues. So, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching and take care.